Hey everyone, Bill Diet here, bringing you this month's UFO box. This is the August 2019 Alien 3D UFO box. So let's get started here. We'll open the box. Hopefully I won't hack and cough too much. Still getting over a cold. Got that ripped open. Got our little Alien 3D flyer inside. Gives you the web address for the project. If you're used to what the projects are, you can guess what the project number is, which is what I did, and I have it on my computer screen, which if you look at the bottom of the current video, you'll see there's something there which is from the Alien 3D page. So let's get started with what's inside. We have some candy, which sugar has been making me sick, so I can't eat that, but it's still there. We got a sticker from 3DX Tech, which is one of the filaments that we're going to have in the box this month. We got syringes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 syringes in here. We got some tubing in here, clear tubing. So all this is probably for the project, I'm sure. And since I've already looked it up, I already know that it is. I know exactly what the project is. And if you paid attention to Alien 3D's post, Josh's post, he showed where he has a little arm holding potato chips. So that arm that he used to hold the potato chip, which is a challenge he put out to everybody, is what the project is for this month. So the first filament out of the box here is from filament 1. It's Ivory Silk Pro Select. Then next thing we have in the box is I'm not sure if it's this HH, but this HH 3D Plastics Neutral PET G. So it's almost like a clear, but that's the neutral color. And then we have the sponsor, or the sticker company, the 3DX Tech. That's the filament this month, which is a orange Economax PLA. And then we have from Z-Rui, I guess that's how you say it, ZI-RUI, we have some marble PLA. And then we have in the box also these filament bags. So it says with some stuff, but I guess I'd take them out of the other filament bags to put it in here. There should be some, there's supposed to be desiccant. So there's the bags for storing filament, which is always helpful. I usually use Ziploc bags a lot for my stuff because I have a typical 1 gallon Ziploc bag, or 3.3875 liter. Or 3.875 liter bag will hold a 1 kilogram spool of filament, which is what I usually use for most of the time for storing my filament after I've opened it. So that's everything in the bag, or in the box, for this month. Good luck with everybody who is receiving their filament box, and hopefully they can get a nice, print a nice arm with it, and take on the challenge that Josh has set forth of can you pick up a potato chip without breaking it with your arm, with the mechanical arm. It's actually hydraulic, whether you want to call it, or pneumatic, depending on how you want to do it. You know, but technically air is a liquid, just in a gaseous form, I guess you could say, but it works the same. So that's the Alien box for the month of August. You all take care. This is Build It Out, and we'll see you next month. Sorry, never mind. Now I'm not closing out yet. I just remembered one thing. I forgot to show you what the actual project was. So I'll turn off my other cameras and show you my desktop. There is the hydraulic arm, the hydraulic robot arm. So there we go, right there. It's supposed to be designed for using 5mm on the on the he has this Thingiverse page. But it says if you print it at 120%, right here it says that, they will fit the 10mm syringes that he put in the kit. So there's your project for the month, and all the other things that were in the box this month. Right here's the 120%. So all the other things that are in the box are listed right here, also on the website. So if you go to the alien3d .us/August-2019 UFO contents. Actually use the Alien US UFO, I think it's 014 is what I think actually gets you to this web page. And that finishes out the month. And we'll see you next month. Build it out.